turtle. Cause UPS was supposed to be here at 10:30. This is how it comes. Yo! It's Bowser. You alive, Bowser? I don't know what else is down there. Yo, Bowser's still alive. He's kicking. I'm bringing this inside. I'm gonna go wash my hands, but look at his new home. Watch him admire it. And I'm gonna open this shit up. Hey, Bowser. Oh, you hear the water, huh? Is that how you moving your head? Look at Bowser, alive and kicking. Buddy? What's up, buddy? Oh, you look cold. It's my boy Bowser. What's up, home? Put him over here. Look at him. He's already swimming. Just gotta add some more rocks and shit. I got that going on. I gotta put the heater in too. So I don't know if my water's too cold, but I'm just chilling. And then the UV bulb shit's right here. I don't know why he's not chilling over there. Drop some food in there. Turn this off real quick. See if he'll eat. Come on. It's right next to your head, bro. Look at this. Look at this little fish right here. Eating my turtle food. What you doing, Bowser? What's had it, bro? What the fuck? What you biting my turtle for? I will cut your ass up. Right there, bro. Right there. Oh, he didn't even want that shit. It's a PetSmart. And I ordered earthworms, but I got mealworms. So, I just fed him one. You want some more food, bro? Also picked up this. Give you some shrimp. Alright, so I put the heater in. We'll see if he starts eating a lot more. He already ate a couple mealworms. I got some ghost shrimp in here and some feeder fish. So I picked this shit up. I accidentally got mealworms. I meant to get earthworms. This shit is trash. Don't buy this shit. So there he is.